You can start earning anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 monthly completely passive income just by copy and pasting very basic images like this one. As soon as you've set it up, you don't need to do any selling, you don't need any referrals, you don't need to do any affiliate marketing, you're not going to need any followers, nor you will need any social media accounts. It's super duper easy. You guys are going to absolutely go crazy over it. So if you guys want to know how to do that, then make sure that you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First, you're gonna go on over to google.com. You're going to look up the word cute animals, and from there you're going to want to click on the image button. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to find a ton of different images of cute animals. You're going to be able to use all of these photos to make a lot of money online by bringing in a very specific website, which is now a very unique strategy. So let's continue. I want you to go on to teespring.com. It is also a completely free platform that lets people like you, me, and other people create different e-commerce products that we can sell online. You're not even going to have to speak to anyone, and it's super easy and super simple than what you're probably thinking. So as I mentioned earlier, all you have to do is copy, paste the images, then upload them onto teespring.com. As you can see, as soon as you've uploaded all of the images and designs to Teespring, it's going to right away assist you in printing those designs into different apparel like t-shirts and mugs and phone cases, all of these sorts of stuff. Other designs as well. Now, there are a lot of types of apparel on Teespring. You're going to just upload, copy, and paste simple images, and then they're going to help you print them on different t-shirts and mugs and phone cases. For example, a t-shirt, and it's $20. So we have this one with this design, which is also $20. So there's just a lot, thousands of different designs on this website, and you're going to be able to be a part of those people selling their e-commerce products just by copying and pasting images. Now, these are again more examples of the products that Teespring has. You know, other than t-shirts, they have socks, hats, leggings, phone covers, accessories, mugs, like I mentioned. And this type of generating revenue is known as print on demand. You can actually own your very own online store and design store on Teespring, and you're going to be able to start owning a 5 or 6 figure business on Teespring. They're going to automatically help you pre-manufacture and create all of the t-shirts in different designs, and they're going to help you ship it to 180 different countries around the world.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
They can do that even on the same day or even on the second day shipping. Now, this is how Teespring operates. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to create a product using the Teespring launcher by pressing the Start Designing button. Next, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be able to use your phone or your computer to start making different t-shirt designs by uploading, copying, and pasting different images. You can design and create a ton of products, different types of products on teespring.com, so make sure that you pay close attention and not miss out on anything. As soon as you've finished creating your product, we're going to move on to the next stage, which is to help you increase your sales. Now, you can either use the pre-existing network or a tool or maybe a partnership integration. Don't worry, I'm going to be offering you some bonus tips how you're going to increase sales and get a lot of people to purchase your design at the very end of today's video. You can actually accomplish this without selling, without referring, and without any technical skills. So Teespring will assist the manufacturers ship and fulfill all of the orders from all around the world. They're going to help you take care of the customer service because they do have a professional team that takes care of all of that. All you have to do is just collect your profits from Teespring. That's basically it. Now, the most important step is to create a product. Now to do that, all you have to do is copy and paste some amazing high quality images from Google, like all these adorable cute animals. And I'm going to teach you how you're going to do that exactly in a moment. So now all you have to do is to go back to the homepage of Teespring, and then you're going to click on this button on top which says start designing. From there, it's going to take you to a brand new page where you're going to be able to join up for the top global creator platform. All you have to do is complete and fill out the application form, or the fields that you have to fill up. So that's the name or the brand name, your email address, and your password. And then you're going to click on the I am not a robot and sign up. It's that easy. The next step is you're going to start creating your first Teespring store. As you can see above, you're going to be able to type in any name that you like, and then you're going to click on the continue button. And as soon as you've submitted your personal information, you've created your account, we can now move on to the next step. Now, you're going to have to present yourself by just stating your current position. You can either choose from options like marketer, content creator, designer, organization, and a lot more. So for this example, I'm just going to choose content creator. From there, you're going to be able to select any social media network like YouTube, TikTok, Twitch TV, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platform. And after that, you're going to connect one of these accounts to prove that you're actually a human. So as soon as you choose one of these social media accounts, you're going to click on the continue button to have instant access to your online store on Teespring. You're going to see welcome to your new store here, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this exactly, where you're going to start copying and pasting right away. So all you have to do is click on this red button to create a product, which will then take you to this page where you're going to find a ton of different categories of just different trending products. They're going to give you a lot of recommendations: what's hot, what's trending, joggers, fanny packs, face masks, and so on. So various other popular items as well. There's digital, apparel, and accessories. Those are also currently in style. So if you don't like any of these, you can just look down below for different templates and other items and products that you can create. All you have to do is click on the start button here to be sent on to this category of long sleeve tees. I'm going to show you how you're going to be using this design. You can select any of these subcategories from there, like classic, premium, or organic. As you can see, the pricing information for the classic is $14, premium is $18, and organic is $15. All you need is to click on this button to start designing. And since in this video I'm going to show you the best one to get started, which is the classic one. So now we have to upload an image to our t-shirt, which is obviously in the center section, where you're going to have to copy and paste an image and use it as our design on top of this shirt. So you're going to go back to Google and you're going to search for cute animals, just like the one I showed you at the very start of the video. You're going to select one of these images. Let's say this one. And then we are going to then screenshot it if you want, or download it to your computer. Save it to your phone, and all you have to do is click the button to add an image, which is the photo that we chose. As soon as you've successfully uploaded your image, it's going to appear on the t-shirt, and then you can actually just drag and drop the images where you want them to be. You can even resize them. I can make mine larger, or I can make mine smaller. I can reposition it whatsoever. Just copy the image from Google, post it on Teespring. That's literally what I did. And the next step is to select the color of your product. So a white t-shirt is what I want, so I'll just choose that. After that, we're going to move on to the section below a little bit, where you're going to be able to set the price for your product. So they will automatically recommend a price of $30 maybe, but you can make profit of $15 on every scale. Again, Teespring will automatically assist you in marketing and selling the t-shirt for you every day. Every single month, millions of people actually visit Teespring to shop different clothing items and t-shirts. So they're basically doing all the hard work for you, so you might as well give them half, right? So when we look at the stats on similar websites, you're going to see that Teespring has a high global rating, which just means that Teespring is loved by many people. So you can also notice the tip right there, which states that most creators price these products at about $29, $22. So your price is just slightly lower than others, let's say $25. You can get still a lot of sales in comparison, maybe even more, because yours is at a cheaper price. Now, this is a very good profit margin of $15 by not doing anything. However, if you do just copy, paste, and upload an image, you're going to make $15 without doing anything. It's a crazy offer. It's very wise. And as soon as you're satisfied with the design, you're going to click the continue button at the bottom, and it's that easy to purchase your clothing and design online at
teespring.com. Now I'm going to show you a bonus trick that's going to help you earn more sales like I promised. So you're going to go on to facebook.com. Now I do assume that all of you guys have a Facebook account. And then once you're on Facebook, you're going to look up cute animal lovers or whatever the design on your shirt says, and then under the filter section you're going to select on groups, and then what you're going to do is join the public groups and then actually post a status there where you're going to be saying, hey, anybody who loves animals would love to get a t-shirt like this, and then attach the link of your product to that status and post that status. Post it on every single public group that loves cute animals or whatever your shirt is pertaining to, and you're going to receive so much sales. You're going to earn a ton of money online, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.